Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 11th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So we had a pretty strong push up, not quite as strong as the Kiwi, but the Aussie pushed up very strong yesterday. I was definitely expecting to see more of a proper three-way pullback like that before we rallied up like this. But I do think we're in a wave one, we're in a wave two. Well, I think we had the completion of a wave one, the completion of a wave two, and I think we're in a one, two, three, four, five of wave three right now. So it definitely would make sense if these Aussie and Kiwi pairs just kept on trending up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, because of the impulsive move up and because the daily definitely did turn back up and the weekly has been up the whole time and the monthly has been up this whole time, I definitely am recommending longs. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up, the last wave of this series of higher highs, higher lows. Because if this does make three ways down to maybe the 78%, makes a nice engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would take it as a long, especially looking at the very high time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.